Welcome to the Pathways to Surrender podcast. I'm Michael Warmoth, and thank you for joining us for this guided meditation. Please note that these meditations are recorded in a tropical setting with the windows and doors open, so you will hear birds and other sounds. Try not to let them distract you from the words. Let's take a moment now to just get settled in, get comfortable and relaxed. Maybe close our eyes and take some breaths and just listen to the music before the meditation starts. Although we may not be conscious of it, what we all want, our true desire, is to feel at peace with ourselves and the world, and to feel free to be ourselves, the full expression of ourselves. So let us decide in this moment to realize that desire, to devote ourselves to knowing that peace and that freedom. Be assured that that peace and that freedom is available to you, is the truth of who you are. And that it can be realized, that is made conscious in your awareness. And be assured that peace is real, exists within you and around you, exists as the truth of creation. It is fundamental to our being. Because that peace is the peace of knowing that we are one with an infinite, timeless consciousness. That we are an expression of that, created by that, we exist within that. There is no separation. We are not alone on our own. Nothing exists outside of the infinite. Nothing exists before it or after it. It is a unity, a unified field. Of consciousness. And we are perfectly capable experiencing that unified field of knowing our unity with that unified field. That is the gift of being human. Conscious connection. The peace that comes from that knowing is the peace of knowing that all the intelligence and the power, the force that creates the universe exists within us, that it is not separate from us. We are creators also, and that this power within us, this universal, absolute power, is a power for good, for creation, expressing as love. This is not a theory. It's not an abstract idea. It's not a belief system. It is the reality of your being. And it can be known. So let us hold that truth. That power and energy and love is alive within us right now. Is the life force that animates our being. It's the creative energy of all creation. It is the supreme intelligence of the universe. There is an intelligence at work in our lives. We may oppose it. We may deny it and suppress it, which leads to all our anxieties and worries and neuroses and illness. But it continues to work in our lives. The way we can know the truth of ourselves is to make the decision in this moment to let go of all our ideas and concepts and beliefs, to free our mind of any limitation and restriction, any limiting beliefs. Just for this moment, let us choose to accept the truth as the only thing we are interested in. As thoughts come that don't align with the truth, let us see them for what they are. The ego's attempts to reinstitute control, to reinstate control. And let us release them without attachment. There is nothing wrong with us. There is nothing wrong in this moment. We do not have to prove ourselves to be good enough. We don't have to earn our place in truth. It is already the truth about us. Nothing can change that. Nothing can remove the truth from our being. Because the truth is all there is. The truth is creation. Truth is life. Truth is love. It's intelligence. So now we can decide to trust and choose the truth. Nothing else is relevant. Nothing else is real. The act of surrender is to give ourselves completely to the truth, to release our will, to be an open channel to be the full expression of the love and the light, the truth. The ego tells us we can't do that, or we shouldn't do that, or we're not able to do that. None of that is true. The ability to know the truth is simply as a result of our choices, our decisions. And our journey is to make those decisions conscious so that we can change them. That's what we mean by waking up and becoming conscious. To see clearly what we are choosing. We know now that when peace eludes us, it's because we are choosing to stay in control. We're choosing to avoid the truth. We're afraid of what the truth will bring. Unpleasant memories, unpleasant feelings, they are only unpleasant because we decide they are unpleasant. They're just feelings and memory. We can't pretend any longer. They're not there. Which is basically what we do when we choose to be in control. We're saying, that is not me. I am this. Referring to the identity. We think somehow we can make what we don't want go away by pretending it doesn't exist. And by creating a new identity. The unpleasant memories and feelings are not who we are. But we sacrifice knowing who we are by avoiding that unpleasantness. But when we actually allow ourselves to open to the truth, find there's nothing that we can't tolerate. There's nothing we won't live through. is no substitute for the peace of knowing who we are. The ego and the identity can never replace the truth. So let us not pretend to be anything other than what we are. We have suffered painful experiences, situations. Sometimes we feel we are damaged beyond repair, but that is not true. Nothing can damage the truth. Truth is absolute. Pure, whole and complete, always. An infinite, timeless consciousness. Always within us. Always the reality of who we are. Let us look carefully at what we are choosing in this moment. Are we avoiding or opening? Surrendering or resisting? What are we choosing? Within us, every one of us, is the memory and the knowing of truth. The memory and the knowing of peace. It is the background to our lives, always there, always. Let us choose to summon that memory, that experience. Let ourselves dwell in that truth. Let go of all the ways we resist. None of them can prevent us from knowing the truth. That is our only desire.
Thank you for listening to this episode of our podcast. If you would like more information on these meditations and teachings, you can visit pathwaystosurrender.com. You might be interested in our other podcast, Pathways to Wholeness. These are episodes of meditative teachings designed to help us move to the next step in our journey, letting go, learning to surrender, overcoming resistance. That's Pathways to Wholeness. Look for the next episode soon. We'll be uploading them every couple of days. See you next time.